Is the bed a welcoming, inviting space for cuddles, for romance, for sexuality? Is there clutter in this space that for a lot of us is the one room in the house where we can retire away from the kids, away from our work, away from the kitchen dishes that we may or may not have created time to put away today? I want you to take your challenge for relationship reboot to give yourself a bedroom makeover. Now, at the very least, that simply means tidy up, vacuum, make things more organized. It might mean you're gonna make a pledge to make your bed every morning. So when you walk back into your room in the day or the all-important time you go to actually snuggle into bed there, that it is inviting. It's not messy and disorganized. Take this seriously. Your environment has a psychological and emotional effect on you.